It's draw time! Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time. Today, we're going on a super fun drawing adventure. We'll draw a happy house, a bright shining sun, and cute little plants. Whoa, sun is smiling at us. Next, let's draw plants beside the house. Plants make our picture look so fresh and full of life. Look, the sun and plants is dancing. Ha ha ha! Now, let's draw our cute little house.
Wow!
Let's start on the roof and let's add something special, a chimney. And look, let's add some wiggly smoke coming out of it. A line for a wall here. Let's add a door. And a cute window here. Ta-da! And done! The outline is all finished. Wow! It looks amazing. Do you like it, my friends? Now let's make the lines darker and thicker, so our drawing looks even nicer and clearer. Wow! It's looking so neat and beautiful already.
Wow!
Great job, everyone. It's color time. This is our favorite part. Are you excited to color too? I know you are. Color yellow. Let's color our big happy sun. We'll start by coloring the round part with bright yellow, just like this. Do you love the color yellow too? It's the color of sunshine, happiness, and smiles. Wow, look how sunny it looks already. So bright and cheerful. Color orange.
Wow! Wow!
Now, let's add a little bit of orange around the sides. Just a soft touch to make our sun look warm and glowing. Do you like sunny days? Me too. Because sunny days make everything so bright and happy.
Wow!
Can you see how the orange and yellow make it shine even brighter? It looks like our sun is really glowing in the sky. Did you know the sun gives light to the whole world? Without the sun, everything would be dark and cold. So that's why sun is really important to us. Whoa, that looks so pretty. Color green.
Wow!
Now let's color our plants. We'll start with the leaves. Let's use a nice green color. Plants love being green because it helps them soak up the sunshine. Do you like the color green too?
Wow!
Did you know plants love the sunshine and water?
Wow!
That's how they grow big and strong. Did you know some plants really do have colorful leaves? They're called ornamental plants.
Wow! Wow!
Color pink. Color red. Color blue. Color yellow.
Wow!
Let's clean the lines. Color gray. Now it's time to color our cute little house. It's a kind of house that says, "Welcome, friend, come and play." Color violet.
Wow!
I'm using violet for the roof to look so magical and cozy. Are you enjoy watching our drawing for today, my friends?
Wow!
If your house could talk, what do you think it would say? Maybe good morning, sunshine.
Wow! Wow!
Guess what? The roof helps protect the house from rain. Thank you, roof.
Wow!
Oh, some houses even have chimneys that puff out smoke when it's cold, like our drawing. If your house had a face, where would you put the eyes and smile? Color yellow.
Wow!
What do you think lives inside this house? A family? A puppy? Maybe a tiny turtle family? Let's color the walls yellow. It's so bright and happy, just like sunshine. If our little house had a name, what should we call it? Maybe Sunny House or Happy Home?
Wow!
And look, some soft grey smoke is coming out of the chimney.
Wow!
Maybe someone's cooking cookies inside. Imagine if this house could walk. Where do you think it would go first? Ha 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 ha!
Wow!
Color pink. Time to color the door pink.
Wow!
A pink door looks so cute, like it's saying, "Come in and play." I wonder, what song would our happy house sing if it could sing? Ha ha ha! Wow, our house looks so colorful. Do you think birds would visit this house too?
Wow!
Color blue. Let's color the window with blue like a beautiful sky.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
I'm coloring this part nice and bright. Do you like colorful things too? Wow, it's really starting to look beautiful now.
Wow!
I really love how our drawing is coming to life. It makes me so happy. How about you? Let's clean the lines. And ta-da! We did it, friends. Our drawing is all finished and it looks so colorful and beautiful. Look at our happy house, our bright shining sun, and our lovely colorful plants. Wow, everything looks so cheerful and full of life. I love how happy I'm drawing. It's like a sunny, happy day on paper. If you enjoyed our art time, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawing adventures. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.